Here we've got ingredients for a recipe which serves 4 people. If we wanted the recipe to serve 2 people instead, we'd have to scale the recipe down, keeping all the ingredients in proportion. 2 is half of 4, which means if we wanted to serve 2 people, we'd have to halve all the ingredients. So 2 eggs would become 1 egg, 3 teaspoons of olive oil would become 1.5 teaspoons, 6 cups of flour would become 3 cups, and half a cup of water would become 1/4 of a cup of water. Now the recipe serves 2 people. If instead of 2 people, we wanted to serve 12 people, we know that 4 times 3 is 12, so we need 3 times as much of the ingredients as to serve 4 people. This means we're going to times all the ingredients by 3. So instead of 2 eggs, we're going to need 6 eggs. Instead of 3 teaspoons of olive oil, we're going to need 9 teaspoons of olive oil. Instead of 6 cups of flour, we're going to need 18 cups of flour. And instead of half a cup of water, we're going to need 1.5 cups of water. Now the recipe serves 12 people, 3 times as much as 4 people. What if we wanted to serve 18 people? How many more times than 4 is this? Well, 18 divided by 4 equals 4.5. This means the recipe now needs to be 4.5 times bigger, and all the ingredients need to be times by 4.5. 2 times 4.5 equals 9, so we're going to need 9 eggs. 3 times 4.5 equals 13.5, so we'll need 13.5 teaspoons of olive oil. 6 times 4.5 equals 27. And finally, 1/2 times 4.5 equals 2.25. So we need 2.25 cups of water. Now the recipe serves 18 people.